Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix table row height in Excel. So let's get started. Begin by opening the Excel workbook that contains the table you would like to work on. Next, navigate to the table where you want to adjust the row heights. To change the height of a specific row, move your cursor to the boundary line between the row numbers. When your cursor becomes a double-headed arrow, click and drag to adjust the row's height. So that's how you can fix table row height in Excel. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.